I have a fabulous product here called Cosmedix. That is Cosmedix with an X, and it's a professional skincare line that I'm so excited to share with you. It's in professional locations, which would be estheticians, medical offices, dermatology, laser places, just to name a few. So let's get into it. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darla Rodriguez. I'm so glad you're here. What we're doing today is a DIY facial. So I am very excited because I've got some phenomenal products to use, and I have got a 5-step process that we can do right here at home. What I'm going to be using today is the Cosmedix skincare line, which again, I said at the beginning, is a professional skincare product that they use in spas, in dermatology offices, actually for facials. And so I'm very excited. I have an old colleague of mine that she's fabulous. Her name's Melyssa. Hey, Melyssa. That turned me on to the product. Yes, I've read about it, but you can't go to a department store. You can't go to Ulta or Sephora to grab these products. These are professional grade, medical grade skincare. So when she was sharing with me, of course, she asked me if I had seen it. Yes, I have seen it because, you know, we all read. We read who's using what, and that's the name of the game. You check out people that you love and see what kind of skincare they use. Kim Kardashian, for one, does use Cosmedix. There are quite a few others. So I just wanted to read a little bit about what Cosmedix is and what they stand for. So what makes Cosmedix so different from other skincare brands is their commitment to pure ingredients. And just a little bit, I just want to talk about what they exclude and what they include, and then we're going to get into this facial. What's nice is they exclude parabens, benzoyl peroxide, petroleum derivatives, sodium lauryl sulfates, artificial dyes, artificial fragrances, and harsh additives. So what I can say right off the bat about that is the very first night I used this product, Ness, my husband, if you guys don't know, and if you're new to this channel, he's the filmer, he's the guy behind the camera. He was like, I walked out of the bathroom and he was like, what did you do in there? And I was all, I just did my skincare routine. Why? He says, it smells like a spa. And what's so great is, yes, it does smell heavenly, which is why I'm so excited to be using this for my facial today. But it also is giving the natural scent. These are not artificial scents that we're smelling. So not only does it smell heavenly, but it's so great for the skin. Now, what it includes is plant-based ingredients, gentle effective AHAs, encapsulated vitamin A, epidermal growth factors, anti-aging peptides, potent antioxidants, Nobel Prize winning technologies, and chirally correct actives. So I just wanted to share the exclusions, the inclusions, and what the brand really does. I mean, really, it's a professional medical grade skincare line that works. So let's get into our 5-step facial. These are things that you can have around your house. You don't need professional tools. If you have them, great. But if you don't, you're okay. And really, are we getting out and buying things right now? No. So let's make do with what we have. So step 1 would be the double cleanse, where you have a cleansing oil and a cleanser. I'm using the Purity Solutions from Cosmedix, and I'm not showing you the bottle because I just have a little sample of it, but I can tell you it smells heavenly and feels heavenly. So I'm just gonna rub. If you have makeup on your skin, that's okay, because this is gonna loosen all that up. And just get it all over. If you have eye makeup, it'll soften that up and dissolve it because we're gonna rinse this off. I just have a warm bowl of water right here with a washcloth in it that I rinsed off the oil. And now I'm gonna go in with Benefit Clean. This is the cleansing gel from Cosmedix. It smells amazing. And go ahead and just give yourself a nice, I'm gonna wet my face a little bit. A nice massage, cleansing massage. And I am not an esthetician, so, you know, just a good massage. Always, I know you want to go upward and outward. Main things. We don't have to be pros here, but. And then we're gonna rinse again, just with that warm water. And it's just warm, it's not hot. Now we're ready for step 2, which is exfoliate. You can use a physical exfoliation or a chemical. I'm gonna be using the chemical. It's called their Pure Enzymes. It's from Cosmedix as well. And I'm just gonna put this on. Now, per Melyssa's instructions, which of course, if you're using this, you know, get instructions from a professional, because this product that I have here is made for at-home use, which you guys can purchase and just use my name, Rod Squad Girl. I'm gonna give you Melyssa's information at the end. But back to instructions, she instructed me to put this on for 3 minutes. So that's all I'm gonna do. And kind of stay away from the sensitive areas of your skin because this is an exfoliating product. So, hey Siri, set my timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 3 minutes.
So here we go, 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. That's been 3 minutes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on detox. So this is step 3. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but these are skincare tools from Sigma. And I have to say, I like it. Because you don't get your hands dirty. You get an even coverage. It's just nice. So I'm leaving this on for 17 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 17 minutes, please.
Okay. 17 minutes and counting.
Here we go. So here's step 4. While I'm masking, I have a hot bowl of water with beautifully sliced oranges in there to give you that aroma. And you want to put it in and steam. Go ahead and put a towel over your head. So I'm going to lean over and open up those pores and really feel the experience of the mask. So now we're on step 5. We've done 1 through 4. So 1, double cleanse. 2, exfoliate. 3, you mask. 4, you're gonna steam. And 5 is moisturize. Along with moisturization is you can put in serums. So I'm going to first off put on Cell ID, which is a serum that you can massage right into your skin. Just FYI, when you're doing your moisturizing step, thinnest to thicker, okay? So my face is a little red, but that is to be expected because we just exfoliated and peeled. So things are working. And I wish you guys could smell it because it just smells heavenly in here. And this is all under step 5, okay? So now we're going to use the emulsion, which is the moisturizer. When you're doing an at-home facial, just like they would at the spa, you're gonna use a little bit more because we're going to use some massaging techniques. So I'm gonna get this all on. So I was looking online before the facial and I wanted to try this new type of massaging. So here it goes. You're gonna start at the forehead, the center, and we're gonna use our palms. Instead of our fingers, we're gonna use our palms for the majority of the massage. What it's doing is, you know, when you do a facial, everything is working on your skin. So you're gonna just really press everything out to the outer part, okay? So you're gonna start here. And as you come down, release and press up. I'm gonna start here. And you're just going in circular motions. Then we're gonna go to the center. And kind of give yourself pressure before you get started, and then release to come down. And now we're gonna go under the cheeks and do the same motion. So to wrap up, the facial is complete. We've done our 5 steps and I am feeling, my face feels amazing. And I can't say enough about these products. So what I wanted to just really wrap up quickly is what I used. So what's nice is Cosmedix has starter kits. They actually have 6 of them. I chose the age defying, which, you know, Melyssa, thankfully she's just wonderful, and you know, she sent this stuff over to me per her recommendation because honestly, you would be going through a professional to get these products. But because we are in the state we are right now as a world, they have on their website, you can go right on there and purchase the products that they sell at the spas because we can't go right now. They have those available for purchase. Right on Cosmedix.com. You can go on there and just purchase away. So what I have here, starter kit, which came with 4 products. The only one I didn't use, which it just wasn't the time to use it, is their Serum 16. It's amazing. It is a retinol product, but it's encapsulated. So when I was talking about their products, one of the things that they had was encapsulated vitamin A. So it's not harsh on the skin at all. The first time I use it, I'm very sensitive to retinol. So I was a little leery, but I had no reaction at all. So that is a nighttime product. But the other 3 products that came in there was the cleanser, another serum, which is Cell ID. This is the one that, well, actually both of them, Kim Kardashian uses both of these. And the emulsion, which is the moisturizer. So those 4 products come in this pack and it's $40. And, you know, if you go over there, I know they give like little gifts with purchases and things like that, but you can get the pack and you can, you know, start away. Again, the scent is literally like you're at a spa. I do want to be clear that this is the retail side of the Cosmedix skincare line, meaning when you go get a facial, of course they have their medical grade products that professionals use and are licensed to use. Then they have products that you can take home. You know, you go into a spa and you see that nice little display. These are those products, okay? So they're very safe to use at home. And then I used the Pure Enzymes for my exfoliant, which is kind of intense, but in a good way. You know, you could feel it working. That's the product that I put on for 3 minutes. And then I masked with the detox. And if you want a full description of all these products, of course, go online, check out the descriptions. You know, I don't want to say something that isn't incorrect, okay? I haven't been trained in the line, but I do love it. I do think it works. I think it's a phenomenal line, and I'm so excited that I've gotten to try it. These two are sold separately each, okay? And I will link them below with the prices and the link to cosmedix.com. Plus, I am going to link the email of Melyssa. If you are a professional, if you're an esthetician, if you work in a dermatology's office, if you are a laser person, you know, we're all in the industry here. So if you want to know more about Cosmedix, please email her. She actually works on the professional side of the Cosmedix line. So she deals with, I believe her title is the Southwest Account Executive. You know, she's willing to answer any questions for anybody. So if you wanted a great facial at home, that's great. And if you're looking at, you know, you've become motivated because you're sitting at home and you are in the cosmetic realm, in that professional, you know, area, this is a great line to do facials with, to share with your clients. Have fun doing your facial. I hope this helped. It's it's actually relaxing. You guys take care. Make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in the product, you know, shoot an email to Melyssa. You can DM her. I'll put her Instagram down there too. And she's got some swag. Just say Rod Squad Girl sent you over. Take care and have a great rest of your week.